incredible to do storytelling work in this highly energetic spiritual environment, in this beautiful place. And Alicia is a magician, and she creates an incredible container for all of us to transform.
The more relaxed and loved we feel, the easier it is to share ourselves and to become self-expressed. And I love watching people blossom, watching people pop.
I had a fabulous time in this workshop. Great excursions, met a lot of wonderful people, including the people of Bali. At the end of the week, I'm feeling really relaxed. I've got a great ideas for stories to write, and a clear vision of where I want to go.
This has been an incredibly relaxing, fun retreat. I just feel a sense of community. We've had great food, we've had great yoga, we've got to see some of the amazing sights here in Bali. I feel like I'm leaving this week with a new sense of confidence about being on stage and being completely, authentically myself, and knowing that it's okay. And to touch in with how funny we all are and how deep.
The very first night, she just got the whole group like that. And I got surprised and stretched and uncomfortable. And for me, that's all a sign of a really powerful workshop. And that makes me someone who could just be more vulnerable in the world and more confident and offer my gifts. So for all those reasons, I'm really happy I came.
From the very first moment, Alicia created a space where we were really free to be. I was really able to come into myself and be me in front of people. And within 6 days, I was already speaking in front of a crowd. So I'm just going to take this experience of being confident in front of people and knowing that my story is valuable for me to tell and for others to hear. It's a profound change.
It has been the trip of a lifetime, and Alicia is an incredible goddess. She is incredibly generous and giving, and has been such an amazing model for me to also bring her energy and spirit back with me for the rest of my life, hopefully.
Workshops, absolutely amazing. Introspection, listening, learning, healing. I've never dug that deep into my own self. And come out the other side just feeling elated and absolutely blown away by the whole community, the togetherness. And I mean, Alicia's knowledge of all this and the fun way she puts it all together, it's just absolutely sensational. Yoga, meditation, introspection, all of it all combined in a couple of beautiful outings to beautiful places with beautiful people. Life-changing moment for me, definitely. I mean, I'm leaving here after a week a completely changed person, and I'm blown away.
Every day to watch people's hearts open, to watch the group feel closer and more connected, as well as seeing people more confident and taking bigger risks in their storytelling. It's such a special way to get to know people. It's been really beautiful.
I came here to transform myself, and I feel like that has happened.